Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. Today, not what I wanted, but I'm going to give it a go anyway. I found what looked so cool, these like pop-in slime balls that you made yourself on eBay. I ordered them and I got sent this. So I contacted the seller. I was like, I don't need any of this. I have all of this. This is not the pop-in slime balls that I wanted. Long story short, there was a partial refund. I was like, well, okay. So I may or may not still try to get them because I really, really, really wanted to play with them, but I don't want to be let down and sent another bag of corn flour. Anyway, after I accepted that, I opened it because I didn't open it before then, so I was going to, try and sort it out. There were bits missing. So that's why I may or may not attempt the pop-in slime balls, because I don't want this hassle again. There was a die missing. I wanted Galactic slime balls. They sent in me Galactic Gloop. I thought, okay, well, I'm going to go ahead with it anyway and see if it works. So we have corn flour, which I happen to have up the cupboard. We have white glue, which I also happen to have down in the cupboard. We have glitter, which I'm not spoilt for, and we have dye, which I'm also not spoilt for. And a plastic spoon and a stirrer. So I thought, well, let's just try it anyway. So I have the instructions because I threw the box away because I wasn't impressed with it. Well, popped it for recycling. Let's see if this works, because last time I've only tried making slime once with cornstarch, corn flour, cornstarch, wherever you are in the world. So I'm not expecting. Now the box, if I can find a picture of it, I will pop it up there now for you to see. Shows you like slime like this, like shiny slime. I know from experience this does not give you shiny slime, but like I say, we're going to try anyway. So we have everything that we need. It says to mix together 21 mils of warm water and 15 of white glue. There might even be just about 15 mils of glue in here, so I might need to add my own glue. And this is not shaping up very well already. Well, if you can get it out, there is just about, in fact, there's a little shy of glue in here. So let's mix that together. Now, there was no measurement on the bottle, because if there was, I wouldn't have bothered putting it in a little measuring cup. Oh, and the 3 to 4 drops of dye. Oh, and the ring. This shows us right now where we're headed with this. We are not headed into fun places with this. Right, I've put 4 in. It says use the mixing stick, but it doesn't tell you what to do with the spoon, but I'm using the spoon. Oh, it looks relatively mixed. I think that glue was going funky. And this is a 45-gram bag of corn flour. So we've got to put all of this in there. It's not all going to go in there. I doubt that this doesn't look like 45 grams of corn flour to me. No, this really doesn't. I'm trying to give it a fair chance, but I'm so disappointed. That said that was a 45-gram bag of corn flour. That is not. And this is not making slime. This is making a paste that's going to break the spoon. So I'm going to have to ditch the spoon. I think this is even going to break the stick because it's so thick. Well, we don't have slime, we have cornflower glue crumble. Cornflower glue, vaguely blue crumble. Let's just put a whole bottle of dye in there because I'm not keeping that for anything. And I knew what we were going to get because I've made this stuff before, but I wanted to try anyway. We've got a mess, that's what we've got. Now we have blue glue crumble. Well, it's meant to form a liquid consistency. This is not cool. And this is not what you see on the box. I am going to make sure that I include a picture for you all to see the extremely false advertisement that you're getting with this. That is nothing like that. That is shiny, semi-transparent. We don't have slime. Gloop is perhaps a good description for it, but we don't even have Gloop right now. I'm going to put more water. We have the cornflower equivalent of quicksand. I am not impressed. I haven't left feedback yet because I like to, much like with this channel with a review things, I'm not going to just get something and go without even trying and go, yeah, this is brilliant, this is exactly what I wanted, fantastic product. Like, no, we got to test it first, make sure it works, which it doesn't. See, now we've gone too far and we just got blue water. May as well put it all in, right? Let's put the glitter in as well. I knew this was going to be bad, but you know, I like to give things a try. In fact, that looks shocking now we put the glitter in it. It looked better before we put the glitter in. Look at that. It's like that. Oh, I'm losing my voice. It's like that resistance stuff. I can't remember what it's called, but you make it using corn flour and glue, funnily enough. Where it's like it's all liquid until you put pressure on it. Well, if anybody out there sees on eBay or anywhere else, it's called Galactic or Galaxy Gloop. Like I say, I will put a picture up. That is what you're getting. In fact, we're going to use this. That is what you're getting. A big, fat mess. But you see what I mean by it being like that resistance stuff, whereas if you keep moving it, the second that you try to put pressure on it, oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, one thing I am good at doing is making my own entertainment. Right, let's just... I can't even squeeze it out. I've got to let it run out. Right, this bit's just going to have to go over there. But you see what I mean? Like, when you give it resistance... So as long as you keep doing that... That's the only fun thing about it. You've got to keep putting pressure on it, keep moving it. So, I mean, that's somewhat entertaining. I would not give this to a kid to play with, because this is going straight in your carpet, straight in their hair, straight up their nose, straight everywhere you don't want it to go. That's the most entertainment I'm going to get out of this. So, yeah. Waste some money? Yes. Let down? Yes. Recommendation? 0. Clean up factor? Maximum. Can't say I didn't try. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've saved some money and hassle and mess. Like if you like what you see. Perhaps not this, but the general gist of my channel and what I get up to. Comment if you got something to say. And subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one, which will hopefully be better than this one.